Want crystal clear protection on the road without spending a fortune? Stay tuned because today I'm revealing the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2025 you can get right now. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2025 covering product details, reviews, and key pros so you know which one is right for you. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. Number 1. 3K 4-channel dash cam. This dash cam offers a 560 degrees all sides view, covering front, rear, and inside your car with a 3.18-inch touchscreen. It includes 24/7 parking mode, built-in GPS, 5.8G Wi-Fi, night vision, voice control, and even a free 128 GB card. Reviews? Drivers love the complete coverage and say it gives them peace of mind with no blind spots. Pros? 4-channel, 560 degrees recording. Free 128 GB card included. Built-in, GPS plus Wi-Fi. Great for full security coverage. Number 2. Vantrue N4's dash cam. A trusted name in dash cams, Vantrue delivers 2.7K plus 1440p plus 1440p triple-channel recording, featuring PlatePix for clear license plates, HDR and IR night vision, GPS, voice control, and LTE support. Supports up to 1 TB max storage. Reviews? Users call it rock-solid reliable with excellent night performance and massive storage options. Pros? PlatePix ensures clear plates. IR night vision. Supports up to 1 TB. Voice control plus LTE support. Number 3. OMBAR T1 4K dash cam. Equipped with STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors, this model records in 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p, offering full-color HDR night vision, 5G Wi-Fi, and 24-hour parking mode. Comes with a free 128 GB card and supports up to 512 GB storage. Reviews? Buyers love its sharp video quality and say it's one of the best value 4K dash cams available. Pros? 4K ultra clear front recording. HDR night vision with STARVIS 2. Free 128 GB card. 5G Wi-Fi for fast transfers. Number 4. ROVE R3 dash cam. This 3-channel dash cam records in 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p with a 3-inch IPS touchscreen. It features IR night vision, 5G HZ Wi-Fi for 30 MB per second fast downloads, and a quad-mode GPS. Supports up to 512 GB storage. Reviews? Users highlight its fast app transfers and intuitive touchscreen for easy setup. Pros? 3-channel coverage. Fast 5G HZ Wi-Fi downloads. IPS touchscreen. Strong GPS functionality. Number 5. 4K 3-channel dash cam. This budget-friendly model records in 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p, includes 5.8G HZ Wi-Fi, GPS, a 3.18-inch IPS screen, and even ships with a 64 GB card included. It also supports 24-hour parking monitoring. Reviews? Customers say it's plug-and-play easy with excellent daytime and night clarity. Pros? 4K resolution at an affordable price. Free 64 GB card included. 5.8G HZ, Wi-Fi plus GPS. Great entry-level 3-channel option. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. And there you have it, the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2025. If you want all-around coverage, the 3K 4-channel dash cam is unbeatable. For premium reliability, the Vantrue N4s is a proven winner. If you want true 4K on a budget, the OMBAR T1 is a fantastic choice. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.